Hey guys, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you how you can apply the lambda function on a nested list. So here I have the score, or let's say I call it scores, and this is a score for the multiple student numbers, student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, their average attendance, which is 35, 32, 33, 30, 33 and 37, and then finally their number, which is 80, 75, 82, 75 and 60. And our idea is that if a student has got above average attendance, which is 35, greater than or equals to 35, then add 2 more marks into their existing marks, otherwise subtract 2 marks, right? So with the help of this scenario, I will show you how you can access the elements of a nested list. Alright, so let's go ahead and first of all specify the above average ABV AVG, above average, which is 35, greater than or equals to 35. And let me just execute this if I have not already executed this. And now let's specify the new marks, right, which is based on the condition that if the attendance over here in each of these elements is greater than or equal to 35, then add 2 numbers over here into the third element of each nested list, otherwise subtract 2 marks from the existing numbers. So since you have already watched my previous videos, which is map, filter and reduce, what you can do is think about, pause this video and think about what really need to be done over here, whether you want to use map or you want to use filter or you want to use reduce, right, and then get the output. So I hope you have paused the video and thought about it, but if not, and then let's go ahead and straight away look into this. So what we'll do is we want to apply this kind of a condition on each of the element. So I want to use map over here, because filter is to reduce the elements list by specifying some filter, and reduce is basically to give you the one single output based on the operation that you are specifying within lambda. And here I want to get each and every element, so I'm using map. Alright, so after that, lambda x colon. Now this is a nested list, and here you have 0, 1 and 2. So what I'll do is x2 plus 2 if x of 1 is greater than ABV underscore AVG, else x2 minus 2 comma scores. Alright, so what we are doing over here is that we are getting this scores nested list over here. Then we are going in each of the third element by accessing using x2 and adding a 2 only if the x1, which is the second element in each of this list, is greater than or equals to 35. Let me specify the equals to sign. Greater than or equals to 35, otherwise we are reducing 2 numbers. Alright, and let me execute this, and as you know, you need to use list to access the elements over here. So now if you see in our first list, since our attendance was above average, I got 2 additional marks, so 82. Over here my attendance is less than average, that means less than 35. I have to reduce 2 marks over here, so what I got is 73. That's perfectly fine. Then over here again reduction of 2 marks, so 80. Then here reduction of 2 marks, 73. And finally 37, addition of 2 marks, which is 62. So that's very easily you can access the nested list and specify a complex operation like this with the help of map, lambda and if-else statement to get the desired output. So that's pretty much all I have for you in this video, and I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.